told your friend you're not okay, and tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way.
Hello beautiful people, in this video I am going to be showing you how to make this 100% natural stretch marks healing oil, and this was requested for by a subscriber, so I'm here to deliver. So sit back, relax, and let's learn how to make this. So I have my scale here and I'll be using this to measure out my oils. If you don't have a scale, you can make use of a measuring cup or a measuring spoon. And somewhere at the end of this video, I'm going to drop the full recipe, so make sure you watch till the end so you don't miss that. First, I have my argan oil. Argan oil contains omega fatty acids and vitamin E. Argan oil can help increase skin elasticity, prevent the formation of stretch marks, and also heal stretch marks. Next, I have my aloe vera oil. Aloe vera oil is really great for stretch marks. It helps to repair damaged skin. In fact, if you're battling with stretch marks, try to incorporate aloe vera into most of your skincare products, whether aloe vera oil, aloe vera gel, aloe vera powder, aloe vera juice, or aloe vera extract. Try to incorporate aloe vera into your skincare routine if you have stretch marks. The next oil I'll be using is my carrot seed oil. Carrot seed oil is rich in beta carotene and vitamin A. Carrot seed oil can help to regenerate dead tissues and also reduce skin blemishes. Carrot seed oil will help you to reduce and fade stretch marks. Next, I'll be using Frankincense Essential Oil. Frankincense Essential Oil absorbs easily into the skin. It is rich in vitamins. It also helps to keep the skin healthy and soft. Next, I'll be using Rosie Essential Oil. Rosie Essential Oil is rich in omega-6 fatty acids. Rosie Essential Oil helps to stimulate skin regeneration. So this oil can help you regenerate the skin that has been damaged by stretch marks. Next, I have my tea tree essential oil. Tea tree essential oil has great anti-inflammatory and healing properties. So it can help you heal stretch marks and can also help with scars as well. Now I'll crown it all with my vitamin E oil. Vitamin E oil is an antioxidant, so it's going to help keep our oils from going rancid. So it's going to act like a preservative for the oils. Also, vitamin E oil is great for skin firming and skin elasticity. So it's going to help us firm and keep the skin elastic. Now I'll just go ahead and mix the oils up together. You need to mix very well so that the oils can be well incorporated and you can get the maximum benefits of the stretch marks healing oil. So mix very well. Now that the oil is well incorporated, the next thing we need to do is bottle it up. This oil is 100% natural and very effective. It's going to help fade your stretch marks gradually, but this oil cannot give you an overnight change in the stretch marks. It's going to do its job gradually. So be patient and expect your results. This stretch marks healing oil should be applied directly on the affected area, that is directly on the stretch marks, and then massaged into the skin for maximum effect. Now here is the full recipe with the accurate measurements. You can take a screenshot of this so that you can replicate. If you watched this video to this point, thank you so much for watching, and I hope you learned something new. I trust you learned something new. So please like this video, share this video, drop a comment, and subscribe to my channel if you haven't. I mean, what are you waiting for? So bye, and see you in my next video.